frog pose is going to be a pose that helps really balance the glandular system. You're going to start in a squat. And you want your feet angled out a little bit. You can have your heels touching if you like, or if you can do that. We're going to come into, our fingers are nice and spread, and we're going to have our fingers in front of us, and we want to try to keep our back as straight as possible. We're going to use our breath, and we're going to inhale as we stand up. So we're going to straighten our legs, keeping our hands towards the ground. Okay, so we're going to inhale and push up. Exhale and come down. We're going to do nice deep breaths, long breaths. So as we inhale, lift up. Exhale, come down. Excellent. Okay, so that is frog pose. I hope you have a great day. I hope that you will take the time to maintain optimal health. I'll see you next time.